Programs Manager here at the Ocean Institute in Dana Point, California. The Ocean Institute is a 501c3 nonprofit education center where, using the ocean as our classroom, we inspire children to learn. We use experience as the teacher to educate on ocean science and maritime history for everybody. This incredible wall behind me is going to be used in so many ways to make the educational experience better for all of our guests. We'll have a distinguished speaker series going on in this room where lecturers and ocean experts from a variety of fields can showcase their work on the screen to the public. We'll also be able to kick off our Life in the Abyss overnights with our abyssal video scenes, immersing the kids into the deep sea experience they can't get in the wild. So we've traditionally used a projector and a projector screen in this room. This room has beautiful open windows to have a great view of the ocean, but that makes projectors a little bit tricky for us. After multiple burnt out bulbs and different versions of projectors, we decided an LED screen was the way to go. Thank you so much to VIP Displays for making this possible, for coming all the way out here from Dallas to Dana Point to give us this incredible experience. Thank you.